Welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing you something truly unique that's redefining the way we think about everyday transportation. This tricycle isn't just a way to get from one place to another. It's a smart, creative, and sustainable solution designed for modern urban life. From the very first look, this tricycle stands out with its distinctive three-wheel design that offers superior balance and control. It's built for smooth riding through busy city streets, tight corners, and daily commutes, where stability matters most. Whether you're riding at low speeds or navigating stop-and-go traffic, the experience feels confident, safe, and surprisingly effortless. What makes this tricycle especially impressive is how comfortable and practical it is. The upright seating position reduces strain on your back and shoulders, while the solid frame and reliable braking system ensure a secure ride every time. Wide, durable tires handle different road surfaces with ease, making it a dependable choice for everyday use. Beyond comfort, this tricycle is designed to work for your lifestyle. It offers excellent cargo capability, making it perfect for carrying groceries, equipment, or supplies for daily tasks and small businesses. It's a versatile solution that supports commuting, deliveries, and creative mobility ideas, all without compromising performance or style. In an era where clean and efficient transportation is more important than ever, this tricycle delivers real value. It produces zero emissions, requires minimal maintenance, and helps reduce traffic congestion, making it a smart choice for both riders and the environment. It proves that you don't need fuel or complex technology to enjoy reliable and innovative mobility. As cities continue to grow and change, vehicles like this tricycle are leading the way towards smarter urban movement. It's simple, efficient, and thoughtfully designed to meet modern needs while offering a smooth and enjoyable ride.